In the heart of Kingston, Jamaica, beneath the glow of a full moon, Patrick strolled down a quiet alley, his curiosity piqued by old legends. Whispers spoke of a mysterious sentinel lion that appeared only at night, an ancient guardian with the power to vanish without a trace. Most dismissed it as folklore, but Patrick's instincts told him otherwise. As he turned a corner, he froze. There, in the shadows, stood a colossal lion, its sleek form shimmering under the moonlight. Its eyes were a piercing, luminous glow, bright and hypnotic, shifting colors from emerald green to fiery orange in an instant. The lion watched Patrick silently, its gaze intense yet calm. Suddenly, the lion blinked, and in a flash, it disappeared. No sound, no dust, just gone. Patrick stared, heart pounding. He realized this creature was no ordinary animal. It was a sentinel, perhaps a relic of ancient Jamaican mythology fused with advanced science. Unbeknownst to him, the lion was a biomechanical construct created by a forgotten civilization that harnessed alien technology. It was programmed to protect the island from unseen threats, only revealing itself to those it deemed worthy or in peril. Its glowing eyes served as both a warning and a beacon, alerting others to danger or guiding those with pure intent. Over the following nights, Patrick kept returning, hoping to catch another glimpse. Each time, the sentinel lion appeared briefly, its eyes glowing brighter than before, then vanishing into the shadows. With each encounter, Patrick felt a strange connection, an understanding that this guardian was part of Jamaica's hidden history, a bridge between the past and future. One night, the lion's eyes shone so brightly that Patrick felt a surge of energy coursing through him, an unspoken message. The lion was not just a protector but a reminder that Jamaica's true strength lay in its ancient secrets and resilience. To preserve the island's future, humans and their mysterious guardians must coexist, respecting the delicate balance of the unseen. As dawn approached, the lion vanished once more, leaving Patrick alone in the quiet alley. He knew he had witnessed something extraordinary, an encounter with the sentinel lion, a symbol of Jamaica's enduring mystery and futuristic guardianship. And from that night on, he carried the secret of the sentinel, a silent protector watching over the island in the shadows.